Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about products in self-tanning, the Bondi Sands Self-Tan Eraser Gel. If you've ever struggled with removing self-tanner effectively, this might just be your new best friend. So, what makes this product stand out? Let's break it down. The Bondi Sands Self-Tan Eraser Gel is designed to remove self-tan in just 5 minutes, without the need for excessive exfoliation. It's formulated with soothing aloe vera to ensure your skin not only gets rid of that unwanted tan but also feels incredibly soft and smooth afterward. One of the key benefits here is its moisturizing and cleansing properties. Unlike harsher methods of tan removal, this gel is gentle on the skin while effectively lifting away any remnants of self-tanner. It's suitable for all skin tones and types, which is a huge plus. Wondering how to use it? It's straightforward. Apply the gel to dry skin after at least 3 days of applying self-tan. Leave it on for just 5 minutes, that's all it takes. Then, simply rinse it off with warm water. Easy peasy. As someone who's tested various self-tanning products, I can confidently say that finding a reliable tan eraser is essential. The Bondi Sands Gel not only meets but exceeds expectations in terms of ease of use and results. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a self-tan eraser that ticks all the boxes, effective, gentle, and moisturizing, look no further than the Bondi Sands Self-Tan Eraser Gel. It's a game-changer in the world of self-tanning maintenance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and beauty tips. Until next time, stay fabulous.